had artists from around Charlotte submit their songs, and this is, the genre is hip-hop, rap. We are going to have a show on Tuesday with the finalists performing, and the winner will be announced that night. We'll have great judges who are here, professional artists in the hip-hop music community of Charlotte. This is all about celebrating the growing talent, the musical talent, the creativity that we have right here in Queen City.
The 6 finalists for the Sounds of the QC, Sounds of the Queen City contest are Thomas Wooten, Buzz City All-Star, the Bungees, Jay Quinn, Verbatim and Damian Samuels, and the final contestant for next Tuesday,